Guys, today we're looking at two brand new webcams from Insta360. Now, if you've been following the webcam scene the last couple of years, you'll know that Insta360 have been absolutely smashing it. And these two models, the Link 2 and the Link 2C, could well raise the bar again. Now, we're talking mirrorless camera quality in a tiny little package. No capture cards, no bulky gear, just plug in and away you go. So in this video, I'll be running you through what's new, the differences between the two, video and audio quality tests, the software features, and a proper wrap up on whether they're worth your money. So if you're in the market for a webcam upgrade, these could be right up your street. So stick around, I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Now guys, before we get into it, Insta360 reached out and asked me to take a look at these two new webcams and give them my honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of their boxes and see what we have. Now guys, just to set the scene, the Link 2 and the Link 2C might look similar on the surface, but they do have slightly different audiences in mind. The Link 2 comes with a 2-axis gimbal, and that's the big selling point there. It'll track you around the room, keep you in frame, and that's really useful if you're moving around while presenting, teaching, or even gaming. The Link C, on the other hand, does away with the gimbal to keep costs down. It's aimed at people with a more static setup, like streamers at their desk, video callers, and that sort of thing. However, it does use the same core image quality, but very much simplified. Inside both boxes, you'll find the webcams themselves, a neat magnetic mount, USB-C cable with a USB-A adapter, the usual guides and warranty info, and even some whiteboard recognition markers. Now guys, let's take a look at the Link 2 first. It's rocking a 1/2-inch f1.8 Sony sensor and can shoot in 4K with a noise cancelling mic tucked in. It mounts onto this clever little magnetic base with a USB-C port and a touch sensor built in for quick functions. Now that touch control is a lovely touch, quite literally, because it means you don't always have to fiddle around in software to switch modes, and the build quality is what we've come to expect from Insta360. Small, lightweight, but solid. You can pop it on top of a laptop screen or stick it on a tripod thanks to the 1/4-inch thread underneath, which is very, very versatile. The Link 2C, like I said, is almost the same sensor and mic, but without the moving gimbal. It does, however, have a manual privacy shutter on the side, which is a nice addition. Price-wise, the Link 2 comes in at around £199 and the Link 2C at £149. Now, when you compare that to others like the Elgato Facecam Pro, which is about £150 more, these are looking really competitive. Now guys, we've seen the hardware and that's impressive, but what makes both of these webcams really shine? Well, it's the software. The Link controller app is straightforward but really powerful. Out of the box, everything is set to auto, and honestly, it looks brilliant without touching a single setting. Colors are natural, exposure is balanced, autofocus is sharp, and all of that is right out of the box. But guys, if you want control, you've got it. Manual exposure, white balance, focus presets, even remote gimbal control from your phone if you're on the Link 2. And the AI tracking is outstanding. You can turn it on in the software with the touch sensor or just by using a gesture. Raise your hand and the camera locks onto you. Really intuitive. And once it's on, you can wander around, and you know what? It keeps you centered. This is perfect for presenters or teachers who don't want to sit glued to one spot. Now guys, there's also desk view mode. If you want to show something like on your desk or whatever, you can. You also get whiteboard recognition, portrait mode for vertical video, and a bunch of filters if you fancy tweaking colors. Honestly though, the raw image is so clean, I wouldn't bother messing around too much. Now guys, I gotta say, one of the bits that really impressed me the most is the autofocus. You can bring something right up close and it snaps into focus instantly and then back to you with a lovely natural background blur. And that f1.8 lens really does give it a nice depth. Also guys, on the audio side, the built-in microphone is noise cancelling and is actually pretty decent. There are 3 modes: voice focus, which locks onto your voice and cuts background noise; voice suppression, which is handy in busy rooms to block out other people's voices; and music balance, which lets a bit more background sound through, which is nice if you're streaming with music or instruments. Here's a quick audio test so you can hear what it sounds like right out of the box without any audio adjustments. Now, just checking out the audio quality of this camera, the Link 2C, and you know what, I'm pretty sure that it's going to sound really good. Now guys, quickly switching to the Link C. Same great image quality, same microphone, but no gimbal. You do get some gesture controls like zooming in and out, and it has a physical privacy shutter, and it can follow you around a little bit as well. So it's probably doing something like Apple's Center Stage in order to do that. I mean, it's basically the same camera as the Link 2, but static and £50 less. So you know what? It's a solid option if you don't need all of those tracking features. So guys, there you have it. What do you think? Honestly, Insta360 have nailed it again. At this price point, these are the webcams to beat. If you want the full feature set with tracking and gimbal, go for the Link 2. If you're more of a sit-down streamer or home worker who just needs top-tier image quality without the extras, then the Link 2C makes a ton of sense. Either way, the quality you're getting here could easily replace a DSLR or mirrorless setup for many people. It's sharp, it's smooth, it's compact, and it doesn't cost the earth. If there's anything that I would like to have seen, would maybe be like a carry case for them, because you know what? I would really travel with these and use it instead of my built-in, FaceTime camera on my Mac, because the quality is night and day. And guys, at the time of this video going live, like I already said, the Link 2 retails for around £199 and the Link 2C for £149. I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Insta360 for sending me these 2 very smart webcams to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.